drifting back on it, and he won't get there. First inning home run for John Bay. That's lined to left field. RBI single for Kyle Lodis brings home Robin Villeneuve. It's 6-4 Commodores, a 5 spot in the second inning for Falmouth.
And Irish bounces it up the middle. It's out of the glove of the first baseman Barkat. Smithwick charges home. He scores to give the A's the lead. It's 7-6. Falmouth ties it up. It's 7-7 in the fourth. Larson breaks his bat, a flare into center field. Dying in front of Rose, the center fielder. Smithwick charges home. Runner on the move from first. Smithwick gets it. He throws to second. Tag applied there. Throw back to home. It's off of Smithwick, and the runner is safe.
Smithwick squares early, the 1-2. He bunts it down the third base line. Caraway looks to third. He throws it high to first. No play. The throw to the plate. Not in time. Chatham wins at 14-8 on the road at Falmouth.